Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like, all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? Okay, so we are trying to engulf this big weekly red candle. So we'll have to see how the Friday closes. Okay, so if this week closes like this, one day left, so I don't know what's gonna happen on Friday. But if this week stays like this, and this is surely purely from confirmation that we are continuing or we are starting the uptrend in weekly time frame now. Okay, because we know dollar is bullish now, so other dollar pairs will be bullish as well, such as USD CAD and USDCHF. Okay, so weekly looks like we're going up. Coming back to daily, we have crossed below above the EMA. Sorry, yesterday. Okay, on 29th of October, we crossed above the EMA. So this was your uptrend pullback and hammer, blah blah blah. So one thing here, we had too many pairs to trade. Don't even trade USDCHF. Okay, it's a slow mover. Don't trade it. That's my personal choice and recommendation. Okay, you have Euro USD, you have GBP USD, you have USD CAD, you have USD JPY, you have IUD USD, you have non USD pairs. Why would you trade USDCHF? Okay, that's up to you. So I'm just doing the analysis for the sake of the video. Okay, so we are in the uptrend, and coming back to 4-hour. Okay, look for longs after pullback. That's it. Okay, so quite a clean setup. We are going for long after the rejection comes in 4-hour in USDCHF. Rejection in 4-hour, which means pullback, and then a blue candle, and that's it. That's your entry. So subscribe, like, share, and go and watch my other videos. As I said, there are too many opportunities other than USDCHF. You can always skip it. Subscribe, like, join free Telegram, and get the software if you want. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.